Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hand. These automatic cup sealing machines. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire height, it's about almost about 21 inches tall. And the depth of the units, they are about 30.5 inches deep. For the length of the units, they are almost about 11 and 1/4 inches wide. So as we can see, this unit is coming with a couple parts. This is for you to mount all the papers, the plastic paper covers on it, to rolling it up, to get a sealing the cup top right here. So this cup top sealing holders, it is about a 92 diameters in the center. So your cup size must be measured around a 92 millimeters. And this is the cup sealer for here. Also, we do have the temperature controls at these positions. We can see they give you the temperature from the 100s to the 250 maximum, and the temperature lights, and this is the operating lights, and this is the power switching on and off. And also looking the behind of the units, we can see they have the power cord connections and give you the information the machine is running by the 300 watts and using the 110 powers. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.